they like Harley Quinn or the Joker. Always.
Hey guys, it's Bree. We're down here on Fremont East. We're here to ask some cheeky questions, so let's go find the truth. Online dating. What makes you pick that profile, send that message? What catches your eye?
Sexy face. Sexy face.
Not a butterface?
Not a butterface. No way.
What makes a sexy face photo?
I don't know. I think she just has to have the right hair and the right lips. Like, come and get me.
If you did have to deal with online dating, what would make you click that profile, send that message?
A good picture.
A good picture.
Yeah, for
What
sure.
makes a good picture?
A good picture? What makes a good picture?
Yeah. Like,
Well,
what
geez,
do you
there's
not
so
want to
many
see in the
factors that
picture?
could be involved. Oh, bad lighting.
Bad lighting?
Nobody pays attention to that out there.
No one does.
Yeah.
And as a fellow photographer, you should.
Yeah.
So,
It really frustrates me, but
online dating, have you done it?
Yes.
What's the thing that makes you click on the profile, sends the message? What is it?
For me, it's definitely if they're pretty or not.
What
I like
determines
very-
pretty?
Like very attractive women, like Latinas, white girls with lots of makeup on, that kind of thing.
Okay. On Tinder, what makes you swipe right or send that message?
Pictures.
What kind of pictures?
If she looks beautiful, I mean, I don't really look at like what they put in the description because I want to talk about it more than just read about it.
Okay.
But I mean, if she's beautiful, she looks nice. I mean, I'm gonna swipe right.
It's all about the booty.
Is that it? That simple?
Yep.
What about you? What is it that makes you send that message, swipe right?
Just interesting person.
Okay, what makes them interesting?
Common connections, just same taste in music.
Okay.
How cheeky they are.
Well, what do you mean?
You just look for someone that's down to earth and cheeky.
Okay.
You could throw a joke out at any time or a meme or something like that, something funny, some personality. So many people are like blah, type A,
You want type B?
type C, D, E, F, G.
I mean, just baseline attractive, I think that's important. Anybody who's like outdoorsy or like hiking, like nature, and intelligent, left-wing politics, I'm all about that shit, so.
If they like Harley Quinn or the Joker. Always.
Okay. All right.
One that just looked like they were being like free and relaxed themselves, not like mere pictures or oh my body, just like people like having fun in their own lives, their own experiences, whatever, something real.
Something real. That's awesome.
Looks, attraction.
What about you? What makes you stop?
Same thing.
Same thing?
Their bio on how they explain themselves, who they are, and the pictures. You gotta have some good pictures. Don't have just face pictures. I need to see body pictures.
Okay.
All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Hit that thumbs up if you liked that episode. Hit that subscribe button below. Be sure to check out our website, thecheekytruth.com. If you like what we do, you can now support us on Patreon. There's a link in the description. See you next time. Stay cheeky.